You! Kev!
Yeah.
Is that you making all that noise?
Nah. I'm asleep.
Obviously, you're the only one here. Come on, man, knock it off. Don't make me use my Davenport voice.
Good morning.
What in the FLIRGRESSIVE hell are you doing here?
Kaveh gave me a spare key.
A spare key?
Get your ass up before I give you a reason to get up.
That's really what's up.
You've got 2 minutes. And get that crust out of your eye. It looks gross.
Can't even fear, man. Your cheeks is jiggling. We put 2-3 draws on. It's aggressive swiping. What's up, bro?
What's up?
What's up, Kev?
It's Kev, but I'm good.
Okay, now that's okay. I see how y'all do because y'all friends. Okay, more news. You want to explain to me why did you give Floretta the spare house key?
In theory, let's say we're locked out of the house at the same time. With no key, Floretta has the spare.
I see us getting locked. Okay.
Yeah, you see right over there?
Right
yeah,
there.
I'm planning for our future, bro. You'll thank me.
You were, and you know what? You were thinking ahead of the game. You were ahead of the game. You just let me know, when do you plan on getting locked out at the same time? Please tell me, Kev. Just saying, fam.
Hey.
Hey, what's
What's
up?
up, Kaveh?
What's up?
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Doing a lot. That's what's up. You were just making a whole bunch of kitchen noise earlier. I'm just wondering, where's that food? Like, does the smell follow the, like...
You want breakfast? You want breakfast?
Yes.
I give you breakfast, yeah.
Wait, hold on. No, wait. I can do it.
Oh,
No, I can get it.
oh,
I'll do it. I'll take it out. No, I got it. No, I can get it. I can get it. No, I can get it. No, I can get it. I can get it. I got it. No, I got it.
All right.
There it is. There it is.
You better eat it all.
Yep.
Put it in your mouth. Chew it all. Or I'll give you something else to eat. All night long.
Oof.
Chew it. And get this trash out of here. It stinks.
Oh, shit. Gab. She can't go for shit. She can't go for shit. The cinnamon bun was aggressive. It was an aggressive. She cooked exactly how her personality is. That was an aggressive cinnabon, bro. I can't breathe. I almost choked off the aggressiveness.
You like it?
I guess you're used to it because you're aggressive. You gotta heat it up too. I didn't even heat mine up. Yeah, let me get it. Let me get a slice.
Tyree? What are you doing in the room, fam?
Kev, shut the Oh. Can't you see that you're... Now I'm loud. Can't you see that your aggressive ass friend is over there napping, taking a hearty nap in my bed, napping?
I told you she would do that.
Bro, I don't know her. Why? And plus, I don't want to be the first thing she grabbed when she wake up. That's just like, it's just extra out.
But that's every man's dream.
Good morning. Hey.
Hey.
So,
Hey, hi. How are you?
Good
Hi.
morning. I just had a damp drain, okay? And I'm gonna need you to change those sheets. You can get the pillowcase as well. Just change all of that, okay? Because I can't sleep in a damp spot. Or if you don't want to change it, you can sleep in the damp spot and I'll just move on the other side.
But that's the mess you made. There's a washer and a dryer here. You can work it out.
I can't help my biology. I can't help what happens to me at night. That's not my fault.
Do you have a whole house you can go to?
Why? When I'm here, I got a key. I'm comfortable. What's up? Good morning.
Hey.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, this is my friend. What's up? You don't like me being here?
You know what? Nah. Just, it was cute at first. It's like, oh, she's coming around. She's cute. Oh, I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I like it. I want to like it. Maybe I do. I do. I don't. Now I do.
So you didn't like me making breakfast this morning? Now all of a sudden you don't like Cinnabons?
Them garbage ass Cinnabons.
The buns was trash. It was all hard. Cam's yours was cool, but man, I'm telling you, that one you gave me, the buns was terrible.
What about this bun?
Oh.
Is that bun hard? It's nice and warm, right?
Mm-hmm.
You just mad because I don't want to f*** you.
Oof. Moment of silence for the whole way. I just don't know what to feel.
I'm sure you feel a lot of emotions.
Man, what? I'm up, I'm down, I'm up, I'm down, I'm up. Now I want to do it, now I don't want to do it, now I do want to do it, now I don't want to do it, but then I do, but then I don't, but then I do.
So do you want to or do you not?
Now I do not, but now I do. I do.
Well, you better get it. Your manhood has been challenged, Tyree. So you better go back there, you better handle business. You better put it down.
Put it all the way down. Just
The spine.
Just blow her back completely out.
Out. In 5 different ways.
Bedroom annihilation.
Bet.
Earth-shattering sex.
Absolutely. Let me know how it goes.
I'm gonna get up, cause you know I'm the really. You already know I'm really.
Cool.
Hey, Floretta. I know one thing. You better get your thick, two-ass, cheeked ass up out of here. I don't play that with the flagression. That's not my progression. We actually regression right now.
Come say that to my inner thighs.
Oof.
You better do it.
Is that a full-blown conversation? Do I need a briefcase? Because I got notes that I wanted to go over. So are y'all going to be listening?
Get fluent.
We good.
I'm speaking tongues.
I'm a really. So wait, I didn't get my notes. Damn, that's a big ass thing. That makes sense. You just let me know, when do you get planned on?
It's fine. Hey, we were almost there though.
We're almost there. Let's do it one more time.
Both of us are locked out of our house without a key. Floretta has a spare. So yeah, I'm planning for our future, bro. You'll thank me.
Really? Thank you for our future, bro. She's doing When do you plan on getting locked out the house at the same time? And that's where you come in.
Okay, so you say,
When you plan on getting locked out the house at the same time?
and then I just walk in. Try to wake everybody up. We're up. We're up.
Let's do it.
Wait, hold on. When I said when you walk in, when you say, when the fuck do we both get locked out at the same time? And that's when I walk in.
I'm sorry.
I love the struggle with the Cinnabon.
Oh yeah. I'm like, what's up, bro? What you doing? You ready?
You got 2 minutes. Get that crust out of your eyes.
Oh shit, hold on.
We can't hear you. Come closer.
with the flames. Hit 'em with the flames. Hit 'em with the fire. Hit 'em with the flames. Hit 'em with the flames.